This is the wall of Regent, our simple three-hand automatic style. It is powered by a Japanese Seiko NH38 mechanical movement. To use the watch is very easy. You can wind it by simply wearing it. The rotor in the back will add kinetic energy to the movement. Or you can also wind the watch manually by turning the crown clockwise. Like so. Now to set the time, you just have to pull out the crown by one notch and then turn it until the time is set. And then just push the crown back in. That's it. Now I'm going to show you how to change the strap. Like on all our watches, our straps are equipped with a sliding pin right here. I'm going to use my fingernail to push the sliding pin inwards this way. And that's it. The strap comes right off. Very easy. Now to put the strap back on, it's a little bit more tricky. I'm going to start with this side right here and insert it into the watch lug. Then I'm going to grab the sliding pin one more time to shorten the spring bar. And that's it. It's attached. So after attaching the strap, you want to gently pull on the strap to make sure it's really attached to the lug securely. Because what happens sometimes is the strap looks like it's attached, but it's not really there. And then you could potentially drop the watch by accident.